This is another one that looks pretty decent. I mean, it don't look decent. It basically looks like something that you could probably get for cheap, but these days everything is high. Everything is high these days, but I'm gonna say a year, 2, 3 ago, you can buy something like this probably for like $800 to $1,000, because a lot of people didn't want to deal with all this work. And that's not a lot of work, but it's enough work to where people didn't want to do work, want to deal with it. But nowadays, people don't care what they get. People don't care what they get. This junk might go for $3,000. It's an Altima. What year is this? It's a 2015 Nissan Altima 2.5 black. Yeah. These days, these people now, they're racing. They bidding the prices all the way up on this raggedy stuff, man. This raggedy stuff that I used, only me. I wanted this garbage, that's it. Now everybody wants this garbage. And I can't get this garbage anymore because I'm not going to pay too high for this garbage. But they will. That's making it hard for everybody. Everybody to buy cars. Yeah, because these people paying outrageous much money for this garbage, man. But that's one I'm looking at. That's going to be one of them. I'm looking for some Versas, but it's hard to find. Looking for some Versas, but I don't see them nowhere out here. But I'm looking. Be back with you guys.